10,000 sperm, and you were the fastest. Today we're going to talk about your favorite subject, the birds and the bees. I think it's weird how some parents, they really don't actually talk to their kids about it, and they think it's like a subject that shouldn't be touched, like it's fucking illegal to talk about or something. I mean, talk about it. It's not that bad. All you gotta do is be like, let's talk about our feelings. You ever wondered what it's gonna be like between a girl that has sex and she gets pregnant her first time? Well, I have. And it's gonna go like this.
Mommy, I'm pregnant.
Do what? How did this happen?
Well, please don't be mad. Me and Tommy were just fooling around and it happened.
Oh, there's no question about it. You're getting an abortion.
But I don't want to get rid of the baby. It's mine.
You're getting rid of it. I said I'm keeping it! So for all you people out there that think that sex is just something just to do, consider pregnancy, because it can happen. And remember, abstinence is the only 100% guaranteed way to keep yourself from getting pregnant. And guys, there's no shame in masturbation. Unless you feel weird sitting there doing it, then don't do it. What's up guys, Who's Your Daddy here. Thank you for watching my show. Leave a comment below on what your favorite sex term is.